In this video, I'll show you how to wind a bobbin on the Singer 66. If you need to know how to thread the Singer 66 or how to insert the bobbin into the machine, I already have a video on my channel that you can watch by clicking on the link at the top of the screen. Let's begin. First, make sure you have a compatible bobbin like this one here. To prevent the sewing machine from stitching while you're winding the bobbin, hold the balance wheel steady and turn the stop motion screw towards you, or counterclockwise. When you press the pedal, the needle bar should no longer go up and down. Make sure that the bobbin winder is in this position to accept the bobbin. Slide the bobbin into place, lining up the hole on the right side of the bobbin with the pin. Next, put a spool on the spool pin, then pass the end of the thread through the thread guide and into the notch of the bobbin winder. Carefully guide the thread through the middle of the bobbin, then out the left hole of the bobbin. Press the bobbin winder down so that the latch drops down to hold the bobbin. In order to wind the bobbin, just press the pedal. When you start winding the bobbin, you'll need to hold the thread, but after it's established, you can cut the excess thread and keep going. Once your bobbin is filled up, the machine will automatically stop. For this demonstration, I ran out of thread and I only have a few bobbins, so I had to stop mine manually before it was completely full, but you get the idea. Check out that tidy bobbin. You can also check out my other Singer 66 video if you need help inserting the bobbin and threading the machine. Remember to re-engage the stitching mechanism by turning the stop motion screw to its original position after you're done making your bobbin. If this video helped you out, I'd greatly appreciate it if you would hit the thumbs up button. If something is unclear, feel free to ask me a question in the comments. Please subscribe to my channel for more sewing and craft videos.